Every vehicle entering your facility is a potential risk or a missed opportunity for control. What if access could be instant, secure, and intelligent? Traditional vehicle access systems rely on manual verification. Paper logs and disconnected monitoring create gaps. This leads to delays, errors, and security vulnerabilities. Introducing Foxeye, the Vehicle Access Control Insights module of Digital Facilitator by SAM Controls, an AI-powered system that automates vehicle identification, access control, and real-time monitoring with unmatched accuracy and speed, automatic number plate recognition, real-time vehicle authentication, automated gate access control, blacklist and whitelist management, live monitoring and smart alerts, all integrated into one intelligent platform. Enhance security, reduce entry delays and eliminate manual errors. Gain complete visibility over vehicle movement. Foxeye by SAM Controls. Smarter access, stronger security, complete control. Powered by Digital Facilitator.